Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is sound isolation. What is sound isolation? Sound isolation is also called as phoneme isolation. It is a strategy that helps develop students' phonemic awareness. Sound isolation involves students identify specific phonemes in words, such as the first, middle, and last sounds. First step: show students how to do all the steps in the task before asking children to do the task. So good morning, students. Our topic for today is sound isolation. So who can tell me what is in this picture?
Ma'am?
Jasmine? Yes?
Ball.
Can you tell me what is the picture?
Ball?
Yes, it's a ball. So the ball, the first sound of the ball is B. B. Jesseline, can you repeat the first sound?
B. B.
Very good. So the next picture, RM, can you tell me what is in the picture?
Map.
Yes, it's a map. So the first sound of the map is M. M. Can you repeat?
M. M.
Yes, very good. Second, use consistent and brief wording. The next picture, it's a box. Jesseline, can you tell me the first sound of box?
B. Ma'am?
Yes. Next picture. Jesseline?
Basket?
Yes, it's a basket. And the first sound of basket is?
B.
Yes. So, can you tell me what is the similarity of box and basket?
Their first sound, ma'am.
Yes, very good. And their first sound is?
B.
Yes, very good. And next picture.
Sun?
Jesseline?
Sun?
Yes. Yes, it's a sun. And the next picture.
Socks?
Yes, socks. And Jesseline, tell me what is the similarity of sun and socks?
The S sound, ma'am.
Yes, the S sound. Their first sound are both S. Last step, correct errors by telling the answer and asking students to repeat the correct answer. RM, can you tell me what is in the picture?
Dollar, ma'am.
Yes, it's a dollar, but it is money. Dollar is just a unit of money. Can you tell me what is the first sound of money? Ma.
Ma.
Ma. Okay, next picture. The picture is mango. What is the first sound of mango?
Ma.
Nice, very good. So can you tell me, RM, what is the similarity of mango and money?
The first sound for ma'am. The ma.
And their first sound is?
Ma.
Yes, very good. And now we are done discussing about the sound isolation. I hope that you learned something today. Thank you and goodbye.